Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Gamola, a camel from Egypt, and I'm delighted to help you learn Arabic. In our last episode, we began our new series Arabic for Beginners by starting with the alphabet. We put some rules, let's remember them together. Rule 1: Every letter has a sound. Two, each sound varies based on what we refer to as movements. Rule 3: Every letter can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. Rule 4: Arabic is written from right to left. Now it's time to start our new episode. One day, there was a cute camel named Gamola. Gamola lived in Egypt and loved teaching Arabic to non-native speakers. Gamola was always smiling and happy to meet new students. One morning, Gamola woke up and decided to take her students on a fun educational trip. She said to them, "Today we will learn the letter B. B. The first place they went to was a big and beautiful house. Gamola stood in front of the door and said,
هذا بيت.
"Say with me."
بيت.
Everyone eagerly replied,
بيت.
Then, Gamola walked with her students until they reached a beautiful lake. At the lake, they saw a happy duck swimming. Gamola said, "Look, this is a lake and there is a duck. Say with me."
بطة. بحيرة.
The students replied,
بطة. بحيرة.
Next, they all sat under a big jujube tree. Gamola said, "Say with me."
هذه شجرة نبق. شجرة نبق.
The students said,
شجرة نبق.
After spending a wonderful time by the lake, everyone felt thirsty and hungry. Gamola took them to a nearby farm where they saw a cow grazing. Gamola said,
هذه بقرة. البقرة تعطينا اللبن. بقرة. لبن. بقرة. لبن.
The students said,
بقرة. لبن.
At the end of the day, Gamola and her students returned to school. She gave them a new book to learn the new words. Gamola said,
كتاب. كتاب.
The students replied,
كتاب. كتاب.
In this way, Gamola and her students had a great day and learned new words that start with the letter Ba. Gamola was happy because she taught her students in a fun and enjoyable way. Now it's time to study in Gamola's book of alphabet.
كتاب جمولة للحروف العربية. حرف الباء اسمه باء وصوته باء. يأتي في أول الكلمة مثل بيت 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 بحيرة 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 بطة 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 بقرة 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 بقرة. ويأتي في منتصف الكلمة مثل نبق 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 لبن 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 لبن. ويأتي في آخر الكلمة مثل حليب 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 كتاب 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 نكتب الباء هكذا من اليمين. والآن مع التدريبات.
Our episode has come to an end. Don't forget your Arabic. Until we meet again, I wish you the best of luck.